Hi, we're here to celebrate our programs who held events for the Lights On Challenge for recognition of school-age programs and the importance that they play in our society. And we have a drawing for the 3 programs that held events to see who's going to win their PPE kit. So, all right, the winner is, I can't drum roll. The winner is Cascade Horizon. So Cascade Horizon will be receiving PPE materials from us. Please keep watching this video to see all the wonderful things that they did for Lights On this year, and maybe it will inspire you to do something next year.